You guys, this next one will blow your mind. It's huge for an item from the dollar store. Oh, it has some dust on it. Whoopsies. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have something a little bit different that we're going to be doing. If you've been watching my channel for a little bit, then you know I like creating DIY decor that is unique and affordable and pretty, that doesn't actually look DIY'd, but looks like you could have gotten it from a proper store like West Elm or CB2 or Anthropologie, something like that. Some of my most popular videos are actually dollar store DIYs, which are great. I love doing them since even before my time on YouTube. However, I will say that sometimes the dollar stores carry decor pieces that on their own look so stunning and so expensive. I thought it would be really cool to show you around some of my absolute favorite dollar store decor pieces. I basically wanted to just show you that sometimes you can actually buy things that are super affordable but look high-end, or that can actually just be tweaked in the smallest ever way that wouldn't make it into one of my DIY videos, but that small tweak makes it into something that's so nice. I'm gonna start off with my favorite decor pieces from Dollar Tree. So all of those ones that I love to bits, because those are gonna cater to some people in Canada and most people in the US. And then I'm going to also show you my favorite decor pieces from Dollarama, because that is one of my absolute favorite dollar stores. It's Canadian only. For my US friends, if you're ever in Canada in the future post-COVID, then you'll want to check in to that store because you'll find such cute little items there as well. Oh, and I did share with my Instagram friends that I was filming this video, so if you want to check me out over there, I'm at DIY Dalia with an underscore at the end. You'll get a bunch of behind the scenes and get to participate in some of my projects too, and I'd really appreciate it as well. So my first favorite decor piece from Dollar Tree is this guy right here. It is this matte black round ball sculpture, and it comes in a couple different colors. I think it's this, and it comes in white. Now I have seen this exact thing, well not from Dollar Tree, but this exact shape and style on so many home decor accounts on Instagram. It's not even funny. People have it styled on shelves, on desks, used as bookends. It's a really popular style right now, and you can get yours for $1 from the Dollar Tree. What I think is actually specifically popular right now is this rounded design. Anything arched or rounded is very in right now, so it makes perfect sense for this guy to make it into your decor collection. So next up is this matte black candle holder. It's meant for pillar candles, and it's just so pretty. It's such a simple design. It's ceramic, and you just would never expect to see this at a dollar store. Now I will just say I saw this at I think 2 Dollar Trees, but they're not at every single one. If you do check around and you find this, I think this is such a great piece, especially for $1. It just blows my mind sometimes when I see pieces like this. I think this is stunning on a desk, on a bedside table, on shelves as well. I just think this is such a nice piece, and I can't believe that it's from a dollar store. Okay, so next up is one of my absolute all-time favorite items from the Dollar Tree, and it is actually this vase. Okay, so as is, it's not actually that special. The color of the glass isn't that great. It's just so. But when you add a little bit of chalk paint to it, and I'll link this chalk paint down below because it's my absolute favorite. You add a little bit of that chalk paint to it, and it turns into this literal masterpiece. I love it so much. It is such a nice shape. Oh, it has some dust on it. Whoopsies. But yeah, it's this ivory color. It's such a nice shape. It just looks like it's ceramic through and through. It doesn't look like it's glass anymore. And I love this to bits. This one actually is on a shelf in my bathroom, and it has a piece of pampas grass that I picked from the field in the suburbs. And I just love it so much. So I highly recommend this. I also have some other vases from the Dollar Tree that I've spray painted with this exact same spray paint, and they look so nice as well. But this shape specifically, just something about it makes it look extra ceramic and extra perfect. So yeah, highly recommend this one, and I love this one so much. Okay, so next up we have these guys right here. They are so adorable. Again, they're perfect on shelves, they're perfect on desks. They are so cute. I initially picked up this gray one when I saw that in one store, but then I saw this one in white in another store, and I just thought they're so perfect. They really have no real use other than just being some random decor to fill the perfect little spot if you have something missing on a windowsill, on a desk, on a bedside table, anything like that. Obviously on a shelf, these are going to be perfect as well. I just love them. They look very high-end. You can tell that the paint is just the perfect paint job. They're ceramic. They look sturdy. Just a close-up of the white one, and then a close-up of the cream one. Now, those are the main ones for my roundup from Dollar Tree. I will say that I also really like the cylinder vases from Dollar Tree. They're so amazing and the cheapest place that you can get them. I've literally just used all of them for upcycle projects so far, but I am going to go out and get some more because I love them to bits. Now onto my favorites from Dollarama, and I have some that I absolutely love so much as well. So this is the first one from Dollarama. It is a little faux plant in a concrete planter. The base actually is concrete, and just to give you a little up close here so you can get a better idea. This looks a lot like the faux plants from IKEA, so just for reference, this is a faux plant from IKEA. I actually think this one from Dollarama looks even more realistic, to be honest. I just think it looks so stunning. It looks very modern, and it looks like it came from like a TJ Maxx type of thing, or you know, Target, something like that. So yeah, I really like this one. It is one of my absolute favorites. I can't believe that this only costs like a couple dollars. I think this was $3. Now Dollarama does charge a little bit more sometimes, so they can charge up to $4 per item. But honestly, for this is worth a lot more. I definitely could see this being $10, $15 at another store. My next favorite item up from Dollarama is this vase right here. It's kind of like a bowl type vase, and it has this dot-like texture on it all over. This is actually the exact type of thing that you would see at like H&M Home, for example. And I just think it's really pretty. It looks very high-end, and once again, you would never know that it was from the dollar store. I also think if you don't like the glass look, which I really do like it as glass, but if you just spray painted this again with that chalk white color or with a matte black, I think this would look really pretty. Or obviously customize it to the color of your room, whatever you want. But I think this one just is so pretty. I had to buy it when I first saw it in store a couple months ago, and they still have it in store today. You guys, this next one will blow your mind. This is a bread tray, so I think this is for if you bake bread, you can put it on this and then cut it. That's to my understanding what it is, and then it would like fall in to the inside portion of here. And obviously that's not what I got it for. So what I got it for is to take out this top part, and for this to be a little decorative tray. Because let me tell you, it's bamboo and it's just so cute. This is the perfect type of thing to like organize things on the center of a coffee table, or an actual table, or a little kitchen island, or even to be like part of a tea and coffee station in the corner of your kitchen. This is just so perfect. It looks very high-end. I would never have guessed it was from the dollar store. I'm honestly just very surprised that they even sold this at the dollar store, but I love it so much, so I'm really happy that they do carry this. I believe this one cost more than $1. I think it must have been between $2 and $4. I can't quite remember. But honestly, even at the most expensive mark of $4, this would be very worth it in my opinion. It looks like you could get this from another completely different home decor store. So I definitely love this. It's petite, so it's not gigantic, but it is perfect and I love it. So it's definitely one of my favorites. I still have this piece here. I'm not sure why I'm keeping it. Maybe in case one day I actually make bread, and maybe I'll need it. So earlier you saw one of my favorite faux plants from Dollarama, and here's the thing, I'm notorious for having no real plants because I once had an air plant, but I gave it to my sister to take care of while I went away on vacation, and when I came back it was dead. And then I got a palm plant, and then I realized it had like a bug infestation, so I got rid of that. I have no real plants, and so when I see a faux plant that looks very real, I get very excited. And this is the second time at the Dollarama that I've seen real looking plants. Now, I have two little faux succulents. This one looks a little bit less real, so I'll show you it first, but I still really like it. It is in a cement planter as well and has little rocks. This is what that looks like, so very cute. But my actual favorite one, now this is like if I just bought one, this is the one I would buy. And I just love this one so much. I think it looks so lifelike. I would never guess that this is from the dollar store. I would only think that this is from a proper decor store. Both of these are really cute little accents. They go perfectly on a desk, on a windowsill, on a bedside table even. They're just so petite and so cute. I could also picture this in like an office, maybe a home office if you want to decorate it properly, because a lot of people are working from home. But yeah, I just love this so much. This guy specifically is like my fave. But I thought I'd just show you because I did sell two designs, and obviously I got both of them. These ones I believe were $2, and to me, so worth it. I just can't believe this is a $2 item. What the heck? That's a complete steal. So my last item here, which I'm just picking up off the ground, is not something I have the original version of, so you'll just have to take my word for it, okay? Maybe I can show you. No, it's not gonna work. But I will show, actually, I did share on Instagram story when I was converting this, so maybe I'll put this right up here on the screen first. But this large vase was $4 from the dollar store. It's huge for an item from the dollar store. And it was bright blue. So it's glass and it was bright blue. And I just spray painted it with that same ivory chalk paint, which again, I'll link it down below. My favorite chalk paint. And look at how it looks now. It's stunning. It is the exact right vibe for everything I'm going for. I love the color. I love the shape. It's so smooth. It looks exactly like ceramic. So yeah, I just love it so much. This is definitely one of my absolute favorite purchases. $4, huge vase, you really can't go wrong. And this vase is not sold at every single Dollarama, but I have seen it at several on and off. So they kind of sell out and then bring back in more at later dates. But yeah, I really, really like this one. I think it's just so stunning and so perfect. And I actually have this one on my dresser and it just goes perfectly. I put some tall pampas grass on this and it's just so cute. So yeah, I could obviously see this styled on any single desk, in the middle of a kitchen table, have your bouquet of flowers in here. But yeah, I just really, really love this one. I think that it is so minimal and so perfect. And my husband actually seems to have an opinion about this one. He loves this one too. He just says it looks so sleek and modern and nice, so yeah. Oh, and one more thing I actually forgot about was this bowl. This is my absolute favorite bowl that I have in my apartment, hands down. And this actually was sold with like a lid thing on it. Dollarama has the cutest cups and bowls and plates and stuff. They're all sold individually, but they are so pretty. So this is just like one example. It's perfect. Honestly, it's perfect to have like as a little catch-all dish, but I actually use this one as a bowl and I have like cereal out of this or berries or whatever, and I think it's really, really nice and really cute and aesthetic. I love it so much. So this might not actually be like decor, but it's function and it's beauty. So you guys, those are my top dollar store decor pieces. Let me know which of those ones was your favorite. If I had to say an absolute favorite, I'm just looking at them now because they're all on the floor. I'd say probably, oh, I actually like so many of them equally, so that's actually really hard for me to do. Why did I just go down this road? I can't give an actual 100% favorite, but I'll say this one is one of my absolute favorites out of them. And then this little succulent guy is just so cute. And then the big vase that I also spray painted is one of my absolute favorites. They're all my favorites. That's why they made them into this video. I bought tons of things from the dollar store, but these ones are like all my favorite, but those three specifically are probably my top. But I want to know, which one do you like the most and which one would you buy if you saw it in store? Or maybe even which ones you already have, because I feel like other people get excited when they see cute items at the dollar store too. So thank you so much for watching until this point in the video. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate you for even just liking my content in general. That actually means the world to me, so thank you so much. I thought it was really fun today, do something a little bit different even. It doesn't need to be DIY necessarily for us to connect and hang out, and I really enjoyed just sharing some of my absolute favorite affordable finds. So yeah, thank you so much once again, and I'll see you next time. Bye!